And now that we have these double claw shot hands, we can finally get to. Oh my gosh, remote. I just put in new batteries. The heck? Anyways, okay. Okay, this remote keeps like turning on and off when I just put new batteries in. But anyways, as I was saying, oh, sweet baby Jesus. Okay. As I was saying, before I was really interested for the third time, now we got the double claw shots. We can finally go back across here. We couldn't last time because the bridge got broken. I don't exactly remember how, but it got broken. But now we can go back over there now. We have double claw shots, which we got in our last episode. So, yay for that. Okay, let's see what we got here. Okay, hopefully there's going to be some parts on this pot. Okay, there's only one, but yeah, oh well. What are you gonna do? Let's see, what's on there? We're supposed to go back across here, right? I think so. Oh, no! Ah, nice. You gotta be kidding me. Where are we supposed to go down to? Let's see. Safe drop down there it is. Okay. Woo! Our hearts got circus. We can get down there now. We have double claw shot. Alright, so let's do this thing. Sorry. Okay, there we go. Dripping out there for a second. No. And nice. Okay. Aha, now we get to the other side. This really haven't been to before because we panicked we didn't have a little claw shot. But now we can get over here. Let's go ahead and look around. Is there anything else we can grab? There's that way down there. I don't think we can reach that pretty far though. Oh wait, look, there's something right there. So it looks like we're going up. Good up. Alright. Okay, there's those. And there's over there. Oh, there's a chest. There's that. Oh wait, we can just hook onto that, can we? Not that. That. Oh, these things. Okay. Yep. And yeah, come on. Yeah, 10 times better than this. 5 times. Yep. Okay, let's see what's in this chest. Oh my god. Alright, oh man, really arrows? It won't really need any. It's okay, I think we find them. You know, still. I'm just going for a rupee or something. Arrows is not bad. I'm fine. Because I was actually kind of low on arrows, I think, so. Yeah, that's fine. No! Gosh darn it. Okay, alright. And let's try to do this another side of the room. There are 3 sides of this room, not 2, but 3. Oh my god, these are actually. Hang on. No! Remote, what is wrong? No! How these remotes aren't working again? What is going on with this remote? Wait, no, stop it. Oh my gosh! What the heck? Okay, I'm searching remotes. I don't know what's going on with this thing. This is insane. My gosh. Seriously. This is driving me insane right now. What? Hold on a second. Alright, got to work again. I had to go get a new remote. Something wrong with that one. I don't know what it was. But, you know, whatever. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, I wanted to scoop red jelly because I could do lives, but then my remote dies on me. Like, you know, I put new batteries in it as soon as I get the opportunity to. So, yeah, that kind of pissed me off, but, you know, whatever. Okay, so where do we go to from this point? Oh, look, we can go down there. Let's go ahead and do Oh, that's gonna be a problem. I'll shoot them with arrows. Let's get rid of that combination. There we go. I don't want to waste bombs on these guys. Wait, what the? Come on. There we go. And there we go. And let's get a double claw shot back out. Like a boss. Like a boss. There we go. Here we go. Oh, look. That thing. Okay. Down. And Remo. And look, that's okay. That's cool. Okay, let's see. Let's click onto that. And this double claw weapon is like really fun. I feel like Spider-Man. Alright, but like way slower. Keep looking at stuff. Yeah, Spider-Man would be way more useful. Wait, no! God! I hit A to get rid of the freaking camera angle thing, not to let go. Wow! Now I have to go all the way back? Seriously? Okay, it turns out I have to go up. So let's go ahead and do that. Right here, there we go. Turns out I just have to look up all along. Okay. There we go. Let's see everything else. There we go. And got it. Nice, okay. Oh, sauce thing. I like a tiny chest. Oh man, we're gonna be able to jump to it though. Okay, we can. Ooh, I was gonna cry so bad like that. Then I have to climb all the way back up again. So I think I'd be breathed out. Okay. Okay. Let's pull our shot back over here again. Now, everything over here. Over there. It's another tiny chest. All these arrows are looking out with it. Let's just go in here. Discman! Go! Mad servant, go! Yes. Okay, I'm just waiting for it to read the disc again, because my Wii's like breaking. I don't know. I think my Wii's is dying, because this is perfectly clean, you know, it's just really easy to die. So I do that every time. So every time a loading screen pops up, the Wii like can't load it that well. It's like really less. I don't know why. Yeah, but it's nope, there, I want to kill you. Oh, Jesus, it has babies. No, how do I use my shield, dang it? There we go. No, what the? Yeah, well, I killed it, and then I died. Because I jumped off a friggin' cliff. Because I'm so smart. What, it's alive again? That's BS! That's so BS, I killed you! Oh, come on. And it's still playing battle music, you notice that, probably because I've got more babies somewhere. Oh, God dang it! Freaking A! There we go. Okay, there's still more babies. Come on, there's one. There we go. Let's get these bombs out. No, I'm supposed to throw it inside. Damn it. Come on, too bad, seriously. There, did I throw it in? Oh God, did I miss? I did. Really? How far is it to throw this thing bombing? Finally, there. Ah. Second single roll. Where's the deal? Alright, and what do we got here? Come on, blow up. And that was for nothing. Yay. Okay, which means I just wasted those bombs for nothing. Yay. Okay, now where do I... God, Damn it, no, it's not working. Okay. Where do I go from here? There? And then go over there. Okay. There we go. Let me get that little pawn shot back out. And go there. Oh my gosh, I'm not close enough. That's annoying. Okay. Now am I close enough again? Alright. It's like, yes, you are, but you suck. So you missed again. Oh, wait. Oh, Jesus. Where am I supposed to go? Jesus. There we go. I got it. Yes. Oh, man. Woo. Alright, no. Let go. Go back. No! Stop it, Link. You're not Tarzan. God. I mean, I surprisingly have to have this talk with him every day about him not being Tarzan, but, you know, he just doesn't listen. Let's just get over there since this is... Hey, this is going to be heck. Oh, Lord. Oh, man. Oh, man. Okay. Trying to get over here. I want to be very careful. I do not want to fall. Okay, more arrows. I need plenty of those, game. Thanks for nothing. No. Oh. Come on. Alright. Change the freaking camera again. Alright, no! Seriously! No! This is annoying. No! No, okay, you back off, sir. You do not want it. Your mother never loved you. You should have been drowned at birth. Okay, here we go. Here we go. And let's just ski down over here. Moving across. Let's go. Oh god. Bat! No! Don't you dare. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh man, that was so... You had no idea how nervous that made me. That was insane. Oh, come on, Link! Seriously! Oh, for the love of God, Link! Yeah, fine, we pull our arrows, because Link can't swing up. Oh, come on, get back down here. Seriously? There we go. No! Oh, bite on my butt iron? Alright. This better have been worth it. What is in here? Boss key, oh, heart piece. That was worth it. Yay, okay. Which means we went the wrong way, but, you know, it was worth it. We got a heart piece, so, you know. That's why we're going to go all the way back over here. Thank gosh I killed those bats, or else I probably would have fallen right now. Or get killed. Okay, so it's... Ah, there we go, now I can go along. Okay, so where do I go from here? No, that's... Yeah, I'm trying to get... Where do I go from here? Let's see. Oh. There we go. Oh no. Oh, yes, okay. Oh god, not this again. Oh man. I hate those falling things. Oh, what's this? Okay. And, you're right. You're up and above. Alright. What's going on? Is something down here? Oh, look, there is. Okay, go. Oh no. Not today, sir. You know what, screw you. I'm not gonna bother with you. Yeah, how you think about that? Just turn my back on you. How do you feel now? Okay, so we're supposed to go out here. Oh, look, those things again. Oh, God, I've had enough with you guys. Seriously. Come back. Come on, man. Come on. So let me grab onto it. There you go. Wasn't close enough apparently, but I could have sworn that was close enough. I mean, come on. Here we go. Man, this is so slow. Okay. Let's see. Oh man, I have horrible commentary, and you're making this really slow and painful to watch, so come on. No, don't drive me into the wall. Okay. Can we, ooh, there's a pole here. Sir, can we please make a U-turn? Sir, whatever you are. You know, it looks like kind of looks like those, annoying, screaming plants from Harry Potter 2. Looks like they, like, breeded with some other hideous creature. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, I want to carry me to the tree. Oh, can you carry me to the tree? No, you, sir. Thank you. Here we go. These are, groups off breeds, actually. No! Nah. Oh, Lord, he has a daddy. He has a papa. Okay. No, sorry. Yeah, don't mind me. I'm just trying to murder your son. What the heck, guys? Come on. Dude, there's no even ram into me. I mean, it's not like I just murdered your father or anything, you know? Give me that. Ugly, freaking Bulbasaur slug creature. Now where is it? I need it to come back. Is that the one? No, that's the one. Come back. I need you to take me to the tree. The tree of life. Come back! Sir, please. He's just sitting there. He's not even moving. What the heck? I need him to take me back. Oh my gosh, what an a-hole. Seriously. He's not even coming back anymore. He's like, no, I'm done for the day. Did my work. Like, I'm out. Okay. Oh, here's one. There's one. No! I'm not. Oh my gosh, you're too high. Okay, that's annoying. You have to climb these vines. Oh man, come on. No, there's spiders up there. Seriously. You just can't give me a break. Oh gosh, alright. Now let's climb up there. Alright, come on. Come on. Yeah, Link, you were the slowest climber ever. Come on. Come on, man. Get up there. And there's a wall in the way. Okay, good. Alright. No, don't shoot it. Come on, seriously, still not close enough? Screw you, game. Seriously. And screw you too, sir. Okay, thank you. Oh my gosh, now it's behind the wall. I can't get close enough to it. This is BS. How am I supposed to get to it? Oh my gosh, seriously. Oh wait. No. No, not you! Ugh! Okay, you know what? I'll get back to you guys when I get to the freaking tree. Alright, finally made it to the effing tree already. No. Okay. So let's open his chest. Open the chest up. Ooh, a rupee. Would have loved a heart piece, but okay. Now let's transform to a wolf. Turn my senses on and go sneak attack that pug. Where is he? There he is. I don't know if he's way too far up to sneak attack him. He saw me coming too. Oh, he's making me attack a tree. No. Come on. No. Oh my god, I struck a cliff. To that thing. Oh! There we go. And we're pissed. And yet, I still do not have 20 pixels. transform to a human again, so we can get out of here. Where's the thing? That we do? Oh, there it is. Okay. Grab onto him. Oh my gosh, and that thing's big. It gets sweet coming back here. Come on, sir! Fly! Fly, Sergeant! You can make it! You can make it! They're so fat, man. They can't take their sweet time get over here. Are those geeky nuts? It's like geeky nuts on the branches. There we go. We can fly away again, too. Wait. Can I get over there? Yeah, oh no. Go through the wall. No! Ah! Oh, come on! I killed you already! Okay, not okay, back to you. Okay, guys, I seemed to figure it out. I'm actually really dumb. I thought Link was skinny enough to fit through the crack in the wall, but apparently you just have to go down to go under the wall. See, I didn't realize this because I'm dumb. Like, seriously, I should have really realized that. That was just plain stupidity right there. I mean, let's just be honest here. God. Okay, can we catch on to that? No, we cannot. Those are bars, sir. You cannot latch on to those. Don't tell me what I cannot latch on to in my life. Okay, well, good. I'm glad your 3DS is dying, man, sir, because you should not be working on the job, okay? I have promoted you to unpaid intern, okay? You're not thinking about demoting you back here. Regular state. Okay, see what we got here. Oh, okay, so we can go over there. There's a one there. But there's also one in a circle over here. I don't think it's over there. So we're gonna go over there first. See if there's anything over there first. And of course, do not go see. Okay. I don't know, but I will send me these here. Wait, what the heck? How close are you to get it? Oh, that's not gonna happen. This is troubling. Oh, there's one right above me. Dirt? Alright. Let's see. Here we go. Come on. Latch onto that. Seriously, these things look like those, what I'm talking about, like those creatures from Harry Potter 2. You pull them out of the pots and they start like screaming. They look like a type of injury from those. Wow! Really, Dragon? Really? Really? F you, Dragon. F you. Oh, okay, time to go Dragon hunting, guys, because they're being in my way. Okay, this one's coming down. Oh, wait, there's two coming down? Okay. No. Yes! Alright. Alright, nice. Okay, where's the other one? There's another one. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Oh, that's the boss, I think. You can't get to that dragon. Okay, you know, I'm just gonna hope. That's all. Oh, wait, no, he's right there. That's gonna be a problem. That's really gonna be a problem. I gotta figure a way to take him out. Come on, man, where's nails on you? Precious nails. Come on. Oh my gosh, I'm the worst pitcher ever. Oh my god, okay. You know what? We're just gonna go for it. YOLO. It was like that was so 2 years ago. Okay. Good. There you go. Oh man, he's gonna come back. Nope. Hey. No, stop. There we go. And we made it. Yes, oh my god, the wind almost blew us back like as soon as we were about to land. That would have been bad. Oh look, and the dragon was about to get us too. He's probably gonna run like right to the door now. Just go face first right at the door. I'll come out like there's gonna be these braids just splattered all over the door. There's gonna be like braids just splattered across the whole door. It's like, oh, that's lovely. You think, oh, another heart piece. Nice. That's 2 in this episode. Nice. 2 heart pieces in 1 episode. We are on roll today. Alright, now let's get back to that other door. I'll see you guys when I get there. Made it! Dragon free, too. Okay, you know what? I just fixed myself. Okay. Too soon. You know, it'd be funny if he tried to fly under with us and then, like, the door shut on him. And then just branch your spider everywhere, get on the back of our shield, and you're like, no! It was such a beautiful shield. What's up? Ooh, tight ropes. Let's see if we can get up there. Too far. Now let's see if we can get up there. There we go. Hey, there's dragons up there too. Looks like we're dragon hunting. Let's see it. Oh, sir, please. Sir, I'm begging you. Link, please go up. Link, hurry up, please. There's dragon behind you. I don't know if you're doing this lately. Like, yeah, there's just kind of dragons out there. Alright, yep. Now we have 9 arrows left. Yeah. Don't mind me, start your cousin over there. There we go. And this should be safe. Alright. You know what's really gay about this game? You can't tightrope as Link. You have to tightrope as the wolf. It's really stupid. But, you know, even though, Link could tightrope and Skyward Sword, but this is technically a different Link, I think. I don't know. Full Zelda's timeline is, like, really complicated. I don't know. I'm pretty sure it's not the same like the because Skyward Sword is like the prequel before Ocarina of Time. Look at Link and Skyward Sword could tightrope. I don't know, I can't remember if you could tightrope in Majora's Mask or Ocarina of Time, but I think you could. But now you can't even tightrope as Link anymore. It's just like, nope, gotta have the wolf to do it because he's a circus carney wolf. He's a carney wolf, yeah. Alright. Here's a chest over there. What is over there? Ooh, another toe, I need that. How do I get over there though? It's not good. Oh no. Oh man, how am I gonna get over there? I need that pole. I do. Dang it. This is not good. Oh man, I think there's another way I have to go. Okay, you know what? I'll get back to you guys in a minute. What? Here we go. We're gonna go through the wall. We are going through that crack. Alright. Come on. Actually, you know what? That sounds really wrong. Alright, guys. I'm coming for you, Poe. I'm coming. Much tightroping later, and vine crawling later. Yeah, it took me a while to get the vines to get over here on the other side, because there's like some spiders in the way, and it was extremely hard to target onto, because it would only let me target onto one spot, no matter how, like, close I got to it. It was really annoying. But now it's all worth it for this song. Oh my god, it's still not 20 postals. We've caught so many, I'm surprised we're not up to 20 yet. I mean, it's annoying. Oh great, now I have to climb all the way back over there. Oh my gosh. This better be a heartbeat. I mean, come on. Please give me something. Oh, purple rupee. You know what? Oh, creature money! I want your heart, soul. Finally, I'm back here again. Man, I really want to play postals already because they're getting little posts are getting really annoying. And, oh my gosh, I have to do these things now. You gotta be kidding me. No! Okay, I'm like, get in the butt. Oh man, nope. Come on! Really? Oh my gosh, come on. No, blank. Oh, he's just running into the fan. Why can't I go over here? That's racist. Okay, here we go. Oh, and now he's joined the party. Like, oh, I want to die too. That looks like fun. Wait, come on. And now he's dead. Alright, so I'm up here. We have to hook on to. Does that be my guess? Oh, look, an orb. Okay, we have to go to the ornament. Oh, sweet baby Jesus. What is that? Yeah, I don't think we're supposed to be down there. Oh, man. No. Okay. Oh, God. yes, we got the boss key. Yes! And we are going to find out where that boss room is. Probably next time. Okay, so thank you very much. And, oh wow, we can't get back around here, can we? Wow, that's not good. I don't think I was supposed to go over here yet, actually. Yeah, I don't think I was supposed to go over here yet. And I did, and now I'm like stuck back here, which means I'll probably have to restart in the beginning of the castle again. And I walked in with iron boots. Oh, look at that, I can't. Okay, now that's gonna get in my way. Okay, hold on. Hurry up. Actually, if I take them off. I gotta just get close to that. Okay. Drop down, what's down here? Guys, hold on, guys. Close, okay, you know what? I don't even think I'm supposed to be in here. Oh, Lord. No, I'm getting out of here. Yeah, that was not supposed to be in there. Okay, got the boss key, so we'll find the boss next time.